At Open Source 2026, LTT just dared the entire maker community. If our USB cable can't handle your project, we give you $1,000 cash. I watched them walk through the convention and find a creator whose Pi dashcam setup had already failed with 10 different cables. They swapped in an LTT cable. It worked instantly. That's not a coincidence, it's a wake-up call. Here's why this matters more than a flashy stunt. USB cables are the silent bottleneck in every build. Voltage drop, data corruption, intermittent failures, these are the invisible gremlins that kill hours of work. Most makers grab whatever cable is cheapest from Amazon. They assume if it fits, it works. Wrong. The LTT challenge proves a simple truth. Cable quality varies wildly, and most products lie about their specs. A $3 cable claiming 10 gigabits per second and 100 W. Almost certainly fake. You end up with a Pi that reboots mid-export, a camera that drops frames, or a data transfer that fails after an hour. For indie filmmakers, this is a critical lesson. Your entire production pipeline, from camera to monitor to external recorder, depends on one cable. If it fails, you lose a take, maybe a whole shoot. For startup builders prototyping hardware, every cable failure delays your demo. Investors don't care about cable issues, they care about results. What can you do? First, buy a USB power meter. It costs $10. Test every cable you own. Log the voltage drop under load. Second, benchmark data speeds with Crystal DiskMark or similar. Third, stop trusting the cable that came with your phone for critical projects. Phone chargers are for charging, not data integrity. But there's a bigger opportunity here. If you're a content creator, this is gold. Make a video testing cables. Compare the LTT cable against a dozen cheap ones. Show the real-world failures. That's the kind of content that gets millions of views, because it solves a real problem. The audience is filled with makers, students, and startups who have all been burned by bad cables. You can even turn this into a business. Start a service that tests and certifies USB cables for builders. Or builders. Or build a cable quality score database. The market is ready for transparency. So, here's my challenge to you. Go look at your current build. What cable are you using? Have you ever stress tested it?